Gemstone Guide for Beginners, everything you need to know. Gemstones have fascinated people for centuries, not only for their beauty but also for their symbolism and energy. Whether you're buying your first piece of gemstone jewelry or just curious to learn more, this guide is your starting point. 1. Types of gemstones. Gemstones fall into two main categories: precious, like diamonds, sapphires, emeralds, and rubies, and semi-precious, like amethyst, citrine, garnet, topaz, etc. Lab-grown options offer the same look and quality at a lower price. 2. Birthstones and Meanings. Each month has a special gemstone associated with it. For example, sapphire is September's birthstone and symbolizes wisdom and truth. 3. Key factors to know. Color, the most important feature for most gemstones. Clarity, fewer inclusions generally mean higher value. Cut, impacts the stone's sparkle and brilliance. Carat, refers to weight, not size alone. 4. Gemstone care tips. Clean with mild soap and a soft brush. Store separately to avoid scratches. Avoid exposing them to harsh chemicals or extreme temperatures. 5. Why choose gemstones? They add color, personality, and meaning to your jewelry. Whether it's for a birthday, engagement, or just because gemstones are timeless.